strong.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Crack Keys, and in this video we are gonna look at how to download Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. So let us open Chrome first. So here's our Chrome. I will go into the incognito mode. Then we are gonna just type Visual Studio. Then click on this Visual Studio IDE. Then here you got a thing. So it is from Microsoft, and here is the one Visual Studio. So you don't have to download this one, you have to download this one, Visual Studio Code. This is the blue one, and if it runs on Mac, Linux and Windows, all three, but not but so okay. So from here you can start developing it. So just you have to click here, download Visual Studio Code. Then it will ask you for Windows, say x86 user installer. So you have to click on this if you have Windows, and then if you have Mac, then click. And okay, so I don't have to download it, please. Then if you have Linux, go to them .dev or .rpm, which one you have, and after that it will start downloading, and you can see it over here. Control, when you press Ctrl J, it will be appeared here. And then let me download it once for you. So like here you have to save it. Okay, so it's downloading. I think it will be ready in 2 seconds. Okay, so it's done. So let's press Ctrl J. So here's our Visual Studio Code setup. Then close it. Then we got our Visual Studio Code this, and it is on the desktop for my side. Then you have to click on this, and when you click, you have to press I accept the agreement, then next, and create a desktop icon. You don't have to you just have to follow the default ones. Just press on the create a desktop icon, then create and then install. And when you will create install, click on install, then it will install it. But I'm cancel it here. I will cancel it because I already have it. Here it is. So I have deleted it. So here you can download it, and when you will open it, it will be like this. Let me show you how it will be. So let us open. Okay, so it's open. So if I will go here and click new file, so it will be like this. But you will not get it like this. There will be a welcome page, then a release notes page. So from get rid of it, you just need to click on this file option, then new file, and here's your project. And then here we are gonna have our coding. And if we have to if you want to get a theme, like I have here, I have this Dracula theme, Dracula official, Dracula for Visual Studio Code, and this theme is a really good theme. And if you want this, you can try this one. And this is a Jupyter extension for Visual Studio Code, so it will help you work with Python, but right now we don't need it. So then this is a NetBeans Lighting theme, and it is the second best theme which I am gonna use it. And then you got and where's the third one? Then this is a live server. Don't forget to on it, because it is the most best thing of it. Wherever you will change it, then it is gonna change it. Like here, the web design here written, then here he changed it and it's changed. You can see it. So please put it there. And so that's all about the extension. Now if you want some more extension, you can search it over here, but these are the only one and we don't require any more. And Then go here and go to your code here. Yes, here, and here we are gonna write our code. And so you can do it like this also. If you want to write two codes at a single time, you can do it like that, but you are not gonna do that. You should also not try that. Okay, so that's all about the tour of it. If you want to sign in, you can sign in here, and and here you can get your notification. So right now I don't have any new notification. And if you want to open a folder, so we can also open a folder and write some code on it. So like I have here a new folder, and if I click it and select folder, so I got all the information about. So this page you will be getting when you open Visual Studio Code, about which I was talking. So here you can see this is, so let us cut it off. Then so you don't require that file option right now. We're just gonna click on this file, then new file, and we are just gonna get code here. So that's all for this video. Now meet you in the next video. And in today's video we have learned how to install how to install Visual Studio Code, and how to run it, and how to set up it. And if you want light theme, you can choose light theme, and if you want dark theme, you can totally choose dark theme. Actually I'm gonna use light theme because light theme is more understandable when I'm gonna teach you. And but you can choose dark theme. I know dark theme looks so cool, but we don't have to look cool here. We have to teach you. So we are gonna use light theme, but you can use dark theme. It's totally up to you. You can use light or dark, anyone. So that's all for this video. Now meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye guys. Hope you like this.